Hello, good morning students. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss right hand thumb rule. This is a rule with the help of which we can find the direction of magnetic field produced by current carrying conductor. हमारे पास एक करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर है जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है। तो हमें ये देखना है कि वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस की शेप कैसी है और डायरेक्शन कौन सी है, जिसके लिए हम कौन सा रूल यूज़ करेंगे, राइट हैंड थंब रूल। इट इज़ वेरी इजी वन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इमेजिन दैट you are holding a current carrying straight wire or conductor in your right hand such that thumb points towards the direction of current. Then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of magnetic field lines. This is called right hand thumb rule. This is very simple. Just imagine that the conductor you are holding in your right hand, this is a conductor and current is flowing in downward direction, and you are holding this conductor in your right hand in such a way that thumb points in the direction of current, and this curling of fingers will give the direction of magnetic field lines. तो इसमें जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस प्रोड्यूस हो रही हैं वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में प्रोड्यूस हो रही हैं, इस तरह से। ये क्या है, कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स whose center will lie on the wire and the direction of magnetic field lines will be clockwise. This thing you can do practically with your pen as well. Just imagine your pen is a current carrying wire, okay, pointing downwards. So hold the pen in your right hand in such a way that your thumb points in the direction of tip of the pen. So curling of fingers, rotation of fingers around the pen will give the direction of magnetic field lines. Is that clear? Dear students, let's apply this in any practical situation. This is the example 13.1. This is a type of an activity, you can say. A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. Dear students, whenever we are talking about directions east, west, north, south, you know that we draw just like this, just a plus symbol. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. And what is there in the question? A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. Current is flowing through east to west direction in a power line. What is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it? तो वायर के नीचे कोई पॉइंट होगा जहाँ पे आपने मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन देखनी है, और वायर के ऊपर एक पॉइंट होगा जहाँ पे आपने मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन देखनी है। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक्चुअली दिस इज 3D फिगर, सो जस्ट इमेजिन, ओके, just take your pen and just hold on your pen in the direction of east to west, and hold this pen in your right hand in such a way that thumb points in the direction of the tip of the pen, you can say from east to west. Thumb will points in the direction of west direction, and just see the position of your fingers above the pen and below the pen. Above the pen it will be towards the north side, and below the pen it will be towards the south side. So dear students, it is very clear that the direction of magnetic field at a point below it, when we are talking about below, it will be towards south, and when we are talking about above it, it will be towards north. So this is the answer. Apply right hand thumb rule, we will get the direction of magnetic field at a point below the wire is from north to south, towards south you can say, and direction of magnetic field at a point directly above the wire is from south to north, you can say towards the north direction. Is that clear? This is a type of activity of right hand thumb rule. Is that clear?